Adding your project to a zip file and then submitting it through Blackboard should be a pretty straightforward process. I'm going to demonstrate how to do it using the Girls Hack LM starter code, but it would be the same regardless of what project you chose to do. Again, I mentioned it on Blackboard, but if you did the newwavecomputers.com, you don't have to worry about this at all because I'll have your code already when you submit it through the website. So this is just for the other options. All right, so here's my code in Eclipse. I'm not going to actually do anything through Eclipse, but I just want to show it to you here. So I've got the Girls Hack LM code with a bunch of classes and then a bunch of folders with images. But again, I'm going to go over to Finder and navigate to where my project is in Finder. My workspace is inside of a computer science folder and then a workspace folder as well. You'll just have to find wherever you created your workspace. But here it is. I have my folder called Girls Hack LM. You can see it's the same name as the project I was working on. All I'm going to do is right click on it and it should say compress. Yep, compress Girls Hack LM. So I'll compress that and it should create a zip file for me. Great. All right, so now that I have the zip file, I'm just going to go over to Blackboard, and I forget which one I want to go to, but I'm going to try this guy right here. Yep, there we go. All right, so this is the distance learning page. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where I created the assignment for our final, and you can see it right down here at the bottom. It does have some directions, and the video will be posted there as well, but I'm going to click on the assignment. After I click on the assignment, I'll scroll down. I don't need to write a submission. I'm just going to browse my computer, and again, I'm going to go to wherever my workspace is. So wherever I created that zip folder, it should be right in here somewhere. There it is, girlshacklm.zip. I'll open it up, and I guess I should say if you want to do your video right now as well, you could. I'm not going to get into that. I'm just going to hit submit. And I don't know if this will work right now because I'm not an actual student. It does take a bit of time, especially a larger zip file like the Girls Hack LM zip. That's a really large file, has a ton of images. So do be patient. But as long as you're willing to wait a couple minutes or so, it will upload, and I think you should get a message that says you were successful. I'm not going to make you watch the video of that happening, but again, that's what you will see. So anyway, after you submit the zip file, you want to go back in and also submit your video. If you want to zip the video up, you could do that. It's not necessary since it's just one file. Do remember, though, that that should be a brief, maybe 2 to 3 minute video explaining what you did in your project. All right, let me know if you have any questions.